Friends and students, welcome back once again. So today we will be discussing on a new topic. This topic is important for final year students who are going for major project. It's only a suggestion, small suggestion. This particular topic I have made few slides and I will show you those slides and I will explain it. So the main topic is you won't believe what wearable can do now. We all know what is wearable. That is AR and VR. So the subtopic is how haptic feedback is making technology feel real. Now, as you know, haptic is a technology that gives you the feedback on your body in the form of a different type of pulses and some sort of a feeling it will be coming on to you. So not only visuals, now we are into new generation, that is haptic generation, where we can feel the things also. Well, let's assume the flat digital experience. So what happens, in the scenes dominate our lives but lack physical integration. That means what we see that dominates our life but lack physical integration. There are two sensors God has given us. One is eye and one is your ears. That means you can listen and you can see. So visuals can be enhanced. Even the sound can be enhanced. That means Dolby digital sound or surround sounds and maybe little more advanced sound. And visuals also, it can be like many Ds in it, that are 3D, 4D, 8K resolution, okay, so that it feels real to your eyes. We see and hear, that is correct, but can't feel it. That means you cannot feel it. Only it goes to your mind, but you cannot feel it. That means the skin, the body, it will not feel it. The digital world limited immersion in gaming, communication, and learning, right? We will discuss three things: gaming, communication, and learning mainly. The solution is the entire haptic wearables. That means you wear a band. When you will see a movie or this thing, it will give you a sensation also in your body or your hand. That means if you're wearing a jacket, suppose I'm just talking about the wearable, which is there like a band on your wrist, but it can be gloves, it can be a chest arm, or it can be a clothing, sort of a thing. So haptic is equal to touch-based feedback, vibration, pressure, or texture. Wearable like gloves, suits, and band react real sensation. They add a third sense, touch, to digital interaction. I told you it adds the third sense. In gaming, if you want that the things should be real, as you can see, can feel recoil of virtual guns or rough terrain. That means if you're driving and you can feel it, when you feel it, because suppose you're driving a motorcycle or driving a car, you will feel a jerk in your hands. That is the feeling. That is done through a sensor. On left hand side, different type of sensors. One is on right hand side, you can see it's a vibration sensor, and one side you can find the new latest type of touch type of sensor. So racing games, simulation, turning, all these things, it will be real time. That means it increases the realism. Okay. Revolutionizing communication. So long distance hug through wearable gear. Suppose a friend is there, or your parents, or your very well-known this thing is there on a very long distance, and you want to hug them. So what you will do, you of course you are connected through video line, but a feeling, that is hugging this thing. If you wear some sensor in your hand, you can just make your friend or make your parents or your child feel like that you're hugging them. So these are the things what you can think of in the coming future. Emojis feel sometimes mood will pressure, it will give a pressure to your this thing, so that if you send an emoji immediately, so it's a good emoji, then it will give a good sensation sort of a thing. Enhance emotional connection in virtual chats. Okay, emotional chats will be there, so it will enhance it naturally, the feeling, the third sense. Learning and training with the touch. The example in this is medical students feel surgical instruments via VR gloves, right? Like they will have they're wearing a VR, but they have a glove also, and it will be like they will feel like that the instrument is also there in their gloves, so that some dissection is to be done or some operation is to be done, that they can study about that. Industrial training includes texture, resistance, feedback, Textures means, suppose you from a long distance you want to feel the texture, suppose, and you want to buy a cloth, and you want, if it is given that you can feel the clothes, wearable, you will feel the cloth, and you can decide very well that really I can buy this cloth or texture or not. Improve muscles memory and real world preparedness. So these are the learning part of your haptic. Application beyond gaming. So what are the other application beyond gaming? Shopping, feel fabric before purchase. I just now told you. Fitness, pressure sensor, correct postures. That means if you're doing a wrong exercise, it will tell you that this muscle is paining. That feeling will come with the help of a sensors, right? Accessibility, that is visual accessibility, visual people's, they will, it is very, very important for them. They will get the complete the sensation on through their skins and their nerves. Okay. The tech behind the magic is actuators. That is the end part. Actuators is nothing but the end part. Small motors that minimum touch, smart material that bend, stretch, vibrate. AI algorithm, personalized feedback to user behavior. Okay. So this is a tech behind your this thing. That is sensors and actuators are all behind your wearables. Okay, that is, you can have when we talk about haptic, then this two part, the sensor and actuators plays an important role. Okay, challenge and future potential. Cost and complexity, slowing mainstream adoption, right? Features: lightweight, low cost, eco-friendly haptic gear, integration with AI and IoT for smart responses. So these are the challenges, but please remember, as I told you in the beginning, we can work on this particular topic, and you can connect through AI and IoT the haptics. Okay. Tough call to action. Please remember, the digital world is no longer just seen, it's felt nowadays, right? Not seen, it should be felt. Are you ready to feel the future? Explore, build, and innovate with haptic technology. That means it's a good idea for all the students, especially engineering or master students. They can do some new projects based on haptic technology. After this, you will watch, I have a small video on this. Just have a look at the video. Thanks for watching.
Imagine feeling every single raindrop in a virtual reality game, or truly touching a loved one across the globe. What if your clothes could guide you with gentle vibrations or even help you learn a new skill through touch? This is not science fiction anymore. It is the incredible future of haptic feedback wearables, and it is closer than you think.